Are you in US, UK, Canada, Germany, Nigeria? I'll be showing you the exact face and body care routine that actually works. If you follow this routine, your skin will be glowing in just 4 weeks. So let's dive straight into it. Go girl. Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Judith, your favorite skincare BFF. Today, I'm breaking down a simple head-to-toe skincare routine that can brighten your skin safely and give you that healthy, beautiful, glowing skin. By the end of today's video, you will have a 4 weeks realistic plan that is going to help you transform your skin. And the best part is, it's perfect for all skin types. So if you're a fair skin, dark skin, caramel, chocolate skin type, or whether you're in US, UK, Germany, Nigeria, or you recently relocated, then this is a perfect skincare routine for you. So let's start with the first step, which is cleansing, because this is where a lot of people in the UK, USA, Canada, Germany, or Nigeria get it all mixed up. Now, you want to always ensure you start out your skincare routine with a good pre-cleansing bar soap, because since our goal is to safely brighten up our skin, we need a good pre-cleansing brightening soap like this Kojie sand soap, for example. This is actually one of the best brightening soaps that have been saving a lot of people in the US, UK, especially those dealing with hyperpigmentation, dark skin, uneven skin tone. If you really want to safely brighten up your skin in a space of 4 weeks, then you need to incorporate this particular bar soap into your skincare routine. It contains the right amount of ingredients that makes it a good pre-cleansing soap. Now, mind you, when you're using Kojie sand soap, you don't want to abuse it and use it every day in your skincare routine. This is something you use maybe 2 or 3 times weekly in your skincare routine. You shouldn't go overboard with this particular soap. If you want an everyday brightening soap or pre-cleansing soap, you can go for other alternatives like the Kojie white soap, this Valitik soap, or you can even use this faded tropicals. These are amazing soaps that are going to gently and gradually cleanse your skin and safely brighten up your skin. Now, for those of you with a very sensitive skin, you don't want to start out your routine with a Kojie sand soap. You want something more mild like the Dove Beauty Bar soap, the extract soap. Like, these are gentle soaps that you can use in place of your Kojie sand soap to pre-cleanse your skin. Or you can even use the Cetaphil bar soap. These are good, affordable pre-cleansing bar soaps that works for a sensitive or dry skin. So you want to start out with something that can cleanse your skin without stripping your skin or making your skin react or sensitive. Immediately you're done pre-cleansing your skin, you want to follow up with the next product, which is your body scrub. And preferably, sugar scrub is one of the best scrubs out there that is suitable for all skin types. So using this 3 hot shea sugar scrub is going to mildly and gently remove all the dead skin cells on your skin and make your skin feel smooth and bright. So you want to ensure you exfoliate your skin just 2 or 3 times weekly, and right after that you want to follow up with a good body wash. Now, here is a simple trick I will always advise you follow, especially when you're trying to safely and gradually brighten up your skin. Now, if you're using a brightening soap like we mentioned earlier, like the Kojie sand soap, you want to ensure that the body wash you're bringing or infusing into your routine is a hydrating body wash other than another brightening body wash. So you want to either use a brightening pre-cleansing soap with your hydrating body wash, or you use a hydrating soap like the Dove Beauty Bar with a brightening body wash. That is the simple math. That is the simple trick you want to always ensure you follow when buying your pre-cleansing soap and your hydrating body washes. So for those of you using the Kojie sand soap as your pre-cleansing soap, this Natrum the Glow Getter body wash is a good hydrating body wash that you want to pair or use together with this soap to achieve a bright, beautiful, glowing skin. In fact, Immediately you're done cleansing and exfoliating your skin, using the Natural Glow Getter Hydrating Body Wash is going to ensure your skin stays soft, properly moisturized, and well cleansed. Immediately after every shower, you will feel refreshed. Now, if you can't lay your hand on the Natural Glow Getter Body Wash, or maybe you cannot afford to buy it, you can simply get this native body wash. I love this one with shea butter and sandalwood, or the coconut and vanilla one. They both lather very well and they smell so good as well, and they are very hydrating on the skin. Now you can also get the Dove Deep Moisture Body Wash. These are body washes that you can pair with your brightening soap to achieve a brighter, beautiful, glowing skin. So these are hands down some of my favorite body washes, especially for those of you with a sensitive skin, dry skin. Is going to hydrate your skin while cleansing your skin. They are very good to use in your skincare routine if you're looking to brighten and glow your skin in a space of 4 weeks. In fact, you can never go wrong with any of those body washes because they are going to hydrate your skin, moisturize your skin, nourish your skin, and glow your skin. Now, for those of you using the Dove Beauty Bar Soap as your pre-cleansing soap, you want to pair it with a brightening body wash, like I stated earlier. And some of my favorite brightening body washes that you can pair with like a regular moisturizing soap is this Natural the Brightener Vitamin C Body Wash. You can also get the Ole Vitamin C Body Wash, the Frisia Body Wash if you're in Nigeria, Fair and White Body Wash, Bioma Brightening Body Wash. These are amazing brightening body washes that can be combined with your regular bar soap to achieve a bright, beautiful, radiant, glowing skin. All these body washes are rich, thoughtfully formulated. They are going to help soften your skin and give you that smooth, silky, beautiful, glowing skin that you're looking for. So if you want to smell good and at the same time achieve a bright, beautiful, radiant, glowing skin, then be sure to combine or use any of these body washes I've shown you. Now, immediately you're done pampering, pre-cleansing, and cleansing your skin in the shower, you will need a good body lotion. See, when it comes to body lotions, one thing a lot of people in the US, UK, Paris, Canada do not know about picking body lotions is that you need to pick a body lotion according to your skin type and your skin needs. And sincerely, you need to use different lotions for day and night because your skin need in the day is quite different from what your skin needs at night. Now, when you're getting your body lotion, you want to ensure you're using SPF antioxidant lightweight lotions in your daytime routine, while your nighttime lotions should be thicker, or they can either be your treatment body lotion. So the best body lotions I will recommend for your daytime use would be this Advanced Clinicals Vitamin C Brightening Cream. This is quite an amazing body lotion that is going to help brighten your skin, protect your skin, because it contains vitamin C, and vitamin C, when combined together with your sunscreen in your daytime routine, is going to protect your skin from the sun, so you're not going to experience sunburn and your skin is gradually going to evenly brighten. So if you want to evenly brighten your complexion and glow your skin, then this particular one should definitely be your go-to. Other alternative body lotions I would recommend you use during the day will be this Ole Vitamin C Body Lotion or the Medix 5.5 Body Lotion. Now, for those of you who have a dry skin or sensitive skin, you can use body lotions like this La Roche-Posay Body Lotion, the Eucerin Advanced Repair Cream, or even this EOS Cashmere Body Butter, or even this Vestin Aloe Vera Hydration Body Lotion. All these are amazing body lotions that will help to moisturize, nourish, and glow your dry skin. Now, let's talk about your nighttime body lotions, because this is when you get the chance to either repair your skin or treat your skin. So using body lotions like Amlactin Body Lotion in your nighttime routine is going to exfoliate your skin. See, if you're in your 40s, your 30s, your 50s, your 60s, and you want a smooth, youthful, beautiful, glowing skin. In fact, you want to generally even out your hyperpigmentation, your discolorations and the rest, then try and incorporate amlactin lotion into your nighttime routine, and you will see the wonders. Like, this particular body lotion will properly even out your skin and give you a uniform blended looking skin tone. If you battle with different colors on your body, it's going to exfoliate your skin and get rid of all those tough dead skin cells that have been on your skin for ages. You can also use Alpha Renewal lotion in place of amlactin lotion. That's if you cannot afford to get amlactin. Or you can also incorporate this Natrium Retinol lotion in your nighttime routine. All these are amazing night body lotions that will help to target your hyperpigmentation and even out your complexion. So all these body lotions you're seeing are going to help exfoliate your skin, rejuvenate your skin, renew your skin, and ensure you have a soft, smooth, beautiful, healthy looking skin. Now let's get into body oils, because they are mostly lifesavers. If you want to give your skin that nice luxury even tone glow, then you want to consider pairing your body lotion together with a good body oil. And body oils that I love and I'll recommend you use will be this EOS Vanilla Cashmere Body Oil, or you can get this Johnson's Baby Oil. These are body oils that will help to lock in moisture. They are not going to feel heavy on your skin. They are going to help keep your skin moisturized and glowing at the same time. So if you want that shiny, healthy, glowing skin, then ensure you add any of those body oils into your skincare routine, and your skin will definitely be popping. Now that we are done with your body care products, let's get into your face brightening routine. And when it comes to your face brightening routine, you just want to focus on 3 major steps, and that is gentle exfoliation, hydration, and sun protection. Now, the first step in your face care routine should be to use a good face cleanser. And one face cleanser I would recommend for all skin types would be the CeraVe foaming face cleanser or the La Roche-Posay face cleanser. Both of them are amazing, and they are going to help cleanse your skin without stripping your skin of its natural moisture. Immediately you're done cleansing your face, the next or second step would be to get a face toner. Now, an everyday face toner that you can use is this from Rice toner, the Numbrazine toner, or you can get the ordinary glycolic acid toner. This particular toner is not an everyday toner. It's something that you should use preferably at night to tone your face and at the same time exfoliate or get rid of dead skin cells on your face. So you might want to get the aqua toner together with your glycolic acid toner. Just use your glycolic acid toner at night and ensure you use it just 2 or 3 times weekly. During the summer, you want to totally avoid using the ordinary glycolic acid toner, okay? So immediately you're done toning your face, the next step is to apply a face serum. When it comes to your face serum, the 2 face serums I would love to recommend for anyone in the US, UK, or Nigeria would be this La Roche-Posay Vitamin C Face Serum. This is an amazing face serum that will brighten up your face, gradually target your dark spots, and make your skin look even and youthful. See, if you want a bright, beautiful, gorgeous, glowing skin, then be sure to get this particular face serum and use in your skincare routine. You will love the glow on your skin. If you cannot afford to get this, or maybe your skin reacts or is sensitive to vitamin C serums, then I will recommend getting the Mela B3 serum. This particular one is suitable for dark spots, acne prone skin, or anyone looking to clear out their blemishes, brighten up their face, and have a smooth, beautiful, glowing skin. It's suitable for all skin types, especially for those with an oily skin or acne prone skin. You will love the effect of this serum on your face. Mind you, you can also pair those 2 together in the same routine if you want to, and you will definitely have a beautiful, radiant, glowing skin. Now, after you're done applying your face serum, the next product you will need is a good face moisturizer. And you guys know that this Neutrogena Hydro Boost Moisturizer is one of my all-time favorite moisturizer to recommend for any and everyone. It's suitable for all skin types and it comes in different variants. They have the one for normal to dry skin, and they also have the one for oily skin and acne prone skin. So if you're on the oily side, you can get the one for oily skin, and if you're on the dry side, you can get the one for dry skin. So this is an amazing face moisturizer that will smoothen your face, plump your skin, and give you that hydrated, smooth, beautiful, glowing skin. So if you want to ensure that your skin is healthy and well cared for, then this is a good face moisturizer to incorporate into your face routine to achieve that bright, beautiful, glowing skin that you're looking for. Finally, you're also going to need a good sunscreen, and this Supergoop Unseen sunscreen with SPF 40 happens to be one of the best sunscreen that is going to help give you a radiant, beautiful, glowing skin. And if you can't lay your hands on this particular one, you can get the La Roche-Posay sunscreen. Any of the sunscreen will do an amazing job and is going to ensure that your skin is protected. So whether you are in the US, UK, Nigeria, Germany, Paris, or anywhere in the world, this is a skincare routine that will ensure you achieve that bright, beautiful, gorgeous skin in a space of 4 weeks. Now, let me give you guys a secret tip. If you really want that healthy, beautiful, radiant skin, ensure you use a hydrating face mask 1 or 2 times weekly in your skincare routine. That way, you're going to hydrate, moisturize, and plump your skin. Now, for those of you wondering, how do I use all of these products? Well, I actually mentioned and explained them according to how you can use it. But if you're still confused, I'm going to leave a step-by-step routine for your day and night routine on the screen so that you can easily take a screenshot of that. I need you guys to remember that you don't need harsh chemicals to glow your skin. So all you need is the right routine, layering, and consistency, and you're good to go. So go try out this routine. Try and just be consistent for 4 weeks and come back to thank me later. So I hope today's video was very helpful and you learned how to brighten your skin safely in just 4 weeks. So whether you're in the US, UK, this is a 4 weeks international glow routine that you can follow. So go try this out and ensure you thank me later. Please do not forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips, and ensure you share this with someone that you want to see their skin glowing. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.